Okay, now we're going to talk about dental disease in your pets, and this is a really prevalent problem. Over 80% of our adult pets have some form of dental disease. The good news is that you can help take care of this right at home. And taking care of this is a really important issue because it can cause pain in your pet's mouth, so it hurts, it stinks, and they get that doggy breath or kitty breath, and it also eats away the bone in their jaw. Blech. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to brush your pet's teeth at home and how to make it fun and part of your enjoyable day with your pet. So first we're going to use Petunia here, and she's been one of our lovely volunteers. We're going to show you how to introduce maybe a toothbrush for the very first time. So we'll go ahead and have her on the table here. And we have two different types of brushes. The first one is a regular toothbrush, and we have it preloaded with a little peanut butter there. So that way Petunia knows that this is a good thing. Oh, very good. The second type of brush we have is a finger brush that goes right on your hand. And this is nice, especially for some larger dogs, because you can actually feel where you are on the teeth. The important step that we have here is the actual pet toothpaste. And this is very important because it doesn't have fluoride in it, and so it's okay for them to swallow. They don't rinse and spit very well. So we'll go ahead and show you how to do that. So I'm going to use our little pet toothpaste. The very first step, again, is always to make this a lot of fun. So we're going to have Petunia check out that paste. She says, I like peanut butter flavor better than poultry. So we'll stick that back on our little brush there. And we're just going to start with this very first step of just getting her used to having the brush around her mouth. And this is so fun. Good girl, Toonie. Yeah, good job. And then as she's licking it, we're just going to very gently start brushing some of the teeth. And that may be the very first step that you do for the first several times. Then once you get a little more practiced, both you and your pet, we'll move on to actually brushing the teeth. So we'll show you that with Gracie. Here you go, Toonie. So for Gracie, we're going to go ahead and use our finger brush here. We're going to load up that with some of the paste. Hey, Gracie girl. Hi. Oh, yes, she says, I love it. And with this, you can actually slide right up under her lip and just brush those little guys. And she doesn't even care because she is trying to get that toothpaste because it tastes good. And we're just going right along the edge of the teeth. And we'll come over here, just brushing very gently along the gum line. Good job! Way to go, honey. And again, this is an excellent, excellent job to do maybe for one of the older kids in the family, but make sure that you tie it to something that you do normally every day anyway, because daily is the best frequency to do this, to have the best results for your pet's health. Make it fun. Maybe substitute one of the treats you normally give with a brushing session. It'll be interaction between you and your pet, which is what they want, and it's calorie-free and it keeps them healthy.